Alright, so we're out here at the job site now and we're just getting ready to measure out for these 45 corners. And so I'm just going to show you guys how we do that. And the reason I'm going to show you guys how is because it's an outside 22. And so the reason we're doing that is just because it's our preference and it's also the homeowner's preference on this particular job. So this is how we measure it out. We just take a straight edge block. We run it along here to simulate the other piece of crown. And we just run the tape. We run our straight edge and we're looking on this right side of the board and you can see it's exactly 67 inches, so we're going to go cut that right now at the saw. Alright, we got our piece cut here, and what we decided to do is just glue them together before we put it up. That way we don't need to work the outside corner up in the air. So this is just a lot easier way to get it on point. And so we're going to put the piece in now. So as you guys can see, it's nice and tight around this corner here. This little gap in here is going to get filled once we do the paint prep, so that'll go away. But now what you're left with is just a beautiful outside corner on a rounded corner. So we're going to go ahead and do this one over here, and we're going to show you guys how we're going to do that. We're going to show you us gluing it up and putting that one up too. So that's the video, guys. So I just made up with some scrap piece a 22 outside corner so you can see the difference. So the 22 outside corner, it's gonna wrap around the corner better and it has a sort of softer look to it. So we did this look because it's the homeowner's preference. You know, we can do any which way. We actually like this way too because we like that sharp look. I think it looks real good. So hopefully you learned something from this video, and thanks for watching.